whenever you, like I told you earlier also, whenever you write an expression in the program, then it is a simple expression that we pass in the program. So there are certain inbuilt algorithm, like we have one algorithm, it is shunt sorter. I think that's the exact name, shunt sorter algorithm, that help the compiler to convert the infix expression to the postfix expression first. So when you are converting that infix, means not you, the compiler is converting infixes from infix to postfix, then it becomes easier for the computer to give you the answer in a well manner. Otherwise, your compiler will get confused with the precedence. It will not actually get confused, but the time taken by the compiler will be more in that. So then it has to see the precedence, then according to that it need to use the stacks, and according to that it will re-evaluate the entire expression, then it will give the answer. But if it is already converted in the postfix, the performance for the postfix expressions are better than that of the infix. In case I want to compare the speed or the output timing, that timing which will be taken by the compiler, right? So first we will do now, we'll do one more expression evaluation, that is, we call it as the postfix evaluation of the expression. So in that case, whenever you will get this type of equation, there you will be getting one expression. In that expression, there will be some tokens will be given. Token will be token means that either it can be some operands or operator. It will be a combination of multiple things. You will get different values in it. They will be comma separated. Then they will ask you to evaluate the given postfix expression from postfix to infix, and then ultimately they'll ask you to give you the value कि उसका आंसर क्या है, right? So for that we'll use one algorithm also, but before explaining that algorithm to you, I'll give you one example. We'll solve that example together, then you will get to know about the algorithm also very easily, right? So first thing that we are doing now is postfix expression evaluation. So the question is, P is the expression, the values are 5, 6, 2 plus, then multiply sign, 12, 4, division sign, and then minus sign. This type of expression will be given to you, fine. When this type of expression will be given to you, they'll ask you to evaluate it, that what will be the answer to this question. So now for doing this, we'll follow one method. And what is that method? For that, we'll draw one table kind of a thing, where in one column we'll keep the scan symbols, and second, in the second column we'll keep one stack, right? Now scan symbol does not only mean the operator. Scan symbol means every operand as well as the operator that you will come across in the expression which is given to you, right? And the first step that you are supposed to do is, the very first important thing is that you need to add the right bracket or right parenthesis to the given expression. Why we are adding that? This right side bracket is added. This is the first step. We are adding this right side bracket so that we do have some sentinel value, which will tell you, sentinel value will tell you that this is the end of your expression. That it is kind of a terminating character for us, which will tell us that when we are supposed to stop the traversing further. Right? So first thing is, you will add right hand side bracket, right hand side parenthesis. After that, you will start traversing the given expression. So the first time when the loop will run, it will evaluate this. How it will be evaluated? It will scan the first element. When the first element is scanned, the first one is 5. So whatever element you are scanning, you will keep putting them here in the first column. First one is 5, and please make sure that whenever you come across any operand, you need to push that in the stack, right? So scan symbol will be 5 and it will be put up in the stack. So as of now we have one element in the stack. Now after that you will scan the second element. The second element is 6. It will be kept here because it is again operand. So what we will do, we will again push that in the stack. But in the stack now I will not only write 6 but I will write 5 also. So 5 comma 6 means that this is the first element which was inserted in the stack. So it will be the bottom element and this is the top element. You need to keep a track of the element, which one is the top element and so on. Then you will come across your third element. Third element is 2. You will scan 2. It is again operand. So what you will do, you will again do the push operation. So now you will have 3 elements in your stack. And with pushing 2 inside the stack, your top will be updated. Earlier your top element was 6. Now your top element is 2. Fine. Now let's scan the next element, that is the plus sign. Now when you come across, I have already told you that what we are supposed to do for whenever we come across operands. Now let's talk about when we come across the operators. Whenever you come across the operator, you need to do the pop of last 2 elements. You need to do pop of last 2 elements and perform. You need to perform something. What will you perform? You will evaluate all these 2 values in this way. B and P. This is the symbol which I am using for representing. I am using this to represent this sign. Fine. Means this thing can be anything. It can be plus, minus, division. It can be anything. Whatever is the particular value, according to that you will be doing that. Fine. So plus sign is there. So in this case, the top element is considered as A and the second element is considered as B. So please make sure you do the evaluation like B, then the operator and then A value. Top element is supposed to be towards the right. It will not be at the left, right? It will be towards the right. Then what you will pop these 2 elements 6 and 2 and then you will perform the plus sign here. Whatever is the operator, you will perform on that and then you will push back that element again in the stack. Whatever is the result of these 2 elements, you will perform this thing 6 plus 2, then you will put it back in the stack that we have got. Then we will, in this case now 8 has become my top now. Now let's talk about the multiplication sign. Now you have got multiplication sign. This is the operator. So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to pop the last 2 elements and perform B operator A. B operator A means 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is supposed to be performed. Please make sure you do B operator A, not A operator B. Otherwise, it may give you the wrong answer. Here, it will not be any of different because it is plus, it is multiply. But when you will come across minus or when you will come across division, in that case, you may face the problem. So this is there. So you will do 5 into 8, 40. And after that, next scanned element is 12. When you scan 12, you will do push operation. So that will make 12 as that of the top element. After that, you will scan 4. 4 is again operator. So what you will do again, you will again do the push operation. Once you do the push operation, now you will have 3 elements. Where 4 is the top element, or you can refer to this as A and this is the B. This is A, this is B. I am writing it again so that you don't get confused with the things that we are doing. Then you will come across the next symbol, that is your division symbol. Division means it is the operator, so you need to do the pop. You will pop A and B, 12 and 4, and you will perform 12 divided by 4. That will give you the answer 40, and this will give you 3. and after that you have got minus sign, so you will 40 minus 3 will be performed, right? So it will give you 37, and after that you have right hand side bracket. So right hand side bracket, once you scan the right hand side bracket, then it will be a terminating condition for you, and your loop will terminate, and you will exit from your program. Once you exit it, whatever value you have got here as 37, that is the expression, that is the top element, and that top element can be saved in some variable named as value. It will give you the output for this given expression. So this is how you solve your postfix expression. Fine. So we'll be doing the algorithm also for this, but if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt